Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. So here is the long-awaited Seat Concepts XL seat for the Honda CRF300L. This dude looks sweet, and it is wide. Look how wide that thing is, and that's what I wanted. I want something with some comfort. This is the Comfort Seat XL. Now you can get the tall seat still. You can get the standard seat. You can get the low-profile seat, but I wanted the wide. Now, when you order this seat, it comes with a pan, is all I can see the option. But this one they sent to me to review, and they didn't have the pans yet, so they sent me the foam and the cover, so I put it on myself. But I'm not sure if you'll be able to buy it that way or not. But I'll post a link to Seat Concept below. But the seat is super wide, looks real good. So check it out. I'm gonna take this thing for a ride. Have not been on it yet. I just pushed it out of the shop. And we're going to take it for a ride. I got a little mess up spot when I put it on. I got a little wrinkle right there, but maybe it'll come out after a few rides. But otherwise, fits real good, looks real good. Let's try this thing out. So, this is my first ride on it. So far, just sitting on it, it definitely feels better. You can definitely feel that it's definitely a lot wider. So they've done a good job on that part. I'm going to like that, I'm sure. But it's still narrow up front, so it has a lot of comfort because of being narrow up front like that. Let's take it down the road and see how it does. I don't have to ride this thing 50 feet before I can tell it's going to be better than that stock one. That don't take very long to figure that much out. Set my shield down here because the wind's blowing pretty good today. Hopefully it won't be too bad for you guys. I'm going to kind of cut all this pavement riding out. We'll get down to some dirt road down here. Okay, we are on the gravel, and holy cow, just going down that paved road, I kid you not. Right now it is so much better, it's hard to describe. I'd forgot how good the Seat Concept seat. See there, I hit those bumps, those potholes. Wow. And this hill here is like one of those washboard hills. But it is so good. And the wideness, I can definitely tell how wide it is. You know, the stock seat was like sitting on a 2x6. It's about as wide as a 2x6. Actually a 2x8, I guess, because it's 8 inches wide. And this seat here is like 12 and a half inches wide. So this thing's like 4.5 inches wider than stock. I mean, it's crazy. And boy, you feel it. I mean, it is nice. The stock seat, I would sit and my butt was smashing through the foam, and actually I could feel the seat pan underneath me. You know, that's how bad it was. You could just feel that seat pan when you hit hard bumps. It wasn't so bad right off, but after you rode it a while, it would start sinking, and then eventually you'd get to where you just was kind of bottoming out, and it was just horrible. This one is like crazy good. That is so nice. I love it. This is going to make a big difference on rides. I can't wait to take it on a big long ride, a day's ride, and let you guys know how it was on that, because if it's this good on this, the day ride. Now, I'm telling you right here now that it doesn't matter what seat you got. I've had Honda Goldwings and Cruisers, and I've had them with the expensive seats on them, but if you ride long enough, your butt's going to get sore. But the difference is, in a good seat like this, is how long it takes to get your butt sore. And on these, it's a lot longer. And one thing I've noticed about like the Seat Concept seat versus the factory seat is the factory seat, once your butt gets to hurting from riding, there's no getting out of it. You can kind of move around, it doesn't matter, it still hurts. Well, on the Seat Concepts seat, you move around and get in a little, just position yourself a little different, and you're good for a while again. All these rock bumps here, some kind of little ledges going off of them, but just smooth as can be. Right there, big pothole. It's a vast improvement, guys. Now, I think you can order this seat probably when they get the seat pans, and what they told me was like it was a month out maybe, and that's probably been a couple weeks. So I'm saying it's going to be here pretty soon. I'd say you could just go ahead and order now. Get on their website up where I put the link below and you can check them out. But now this seat, of course, the XL is the most expensive of all of them because it's a lot more to make it, but it is worth it. I've seen people spend money on as much money on a lot less important things than the seat, and the seat is something that is really something good to spend your money on. Okay, we'll turn around right there. Man, that seat is good. Yeah, I'll be raving about this for a while because I like it. The first one that I got was a pan. The pan and the cover foam all together, the complete seat. And then the one I got for the 2018 was just the foam and cover kit. And if you can put the staples in, and it takes some work, but it can be done, I would recommend buying the whole thing. I mean, man, it's nice just to have the whole seat. Then you still got your stock seat if you happen to sell the bike or trade it off, whatever, and you can put your stock seat back on. But, you know, it costs you more, but... Uh-oh. Bicycle Jones there. And his Beagle. Don't run out here in front of this. Get some knobbies in your teeth. But this one, like I said, on their website, all I seen was they sell it as the complete seat. That'll be the pan, the plastic pan, and all. You just buy it and you put it on. So, now mine, like I said, I put it on because it's a little while out before they had the pans, and I told them, I said, I can put that on, no problem, I've done it before. So I got it that way to do it, just so I could get this video out here for you guys and show it to you. And holy cow, it's worth it. And then I like a kid with a new toy, huh? It's because I've been riding this thing as long as I have, and I had the 250L before this, and I was so used to the comfort of the seat concepts, and then when I went back to stock, it's like, oh my goodness. And the CRF300L to me is exactly the same as the 250L. It's just horrible. They make that thing for a, you know, 100-pound rider or something, and even them people complain that it's too uncomfortable. So here's some bumps right here. It just, I kid you not, on the stock seat I would be bottoming out. The seat, the foam would be bottoming out. And of course, the first thing you think when you want a new seat is I need something softer. Well, the problem with the stock seat is not softness. The problem is it's too soft. The stiffer foam actually will support your weight a lot better. And you can look how much wider this thing here is. So instead of having a crown and overlapping the seat, these wide parts sit out. That's where your butt will sit, and supports a lot better. I can feel the huge difference in the support on this seat being so wide. Now this seat, I believe too, is stock height. I believe that's what it is. The Comfort XL seat is stock height, which is fine. I actually got the taller foam on my CRF300L just because I wanted to make sure it had more padding, but it's not about, I don't know if it's about how much padding, it's the quality of the padding that they use. The quality of the material this thing's made out of is a lot better too. And now this is an all black one with the carbon sides, and then it's kind of a semi gripper top, but it's not the gripper like I had on my other one. You can get the gripper, and you can choose red sides or whatever, the different colors that they have to choose from if you want. I just thought with this bike, all black is going to look good, and in my opinion it does. So definitely a good deal, guys. I'm back on this paved road, so I'm gonna get to the house. It actually had been raining here, so it's probably raining at the house. So thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.